Good evening, and welcome to the Berry College's production of Faculty. Before the show begins, I would like to go over the rules of the production to ensure your safety and enjoyment of the performance. Please ensure that all mobile devices are switched off. This is not only to prevent interference with the equipment used in this production, but also to avoid breaking the immersion of you and your fellow audience members. Do not attempt to make contact with the performers. This production is designed to be a non-contact performance, and we politely request that you do not interfere with the performers by touching them. Cast members are also forbidden from touching the audience members. However, communication via speech with the performers is perfectly acceptable and is actually encouraged. Stay with the group as they move around the building. This performance relies on the audience moving around as a group, and we ask that you remain together until the end of the performance. In the unlikely event of a fire, please remain calm. You will be escorted in an orderly fashion out of the building by our professional members of staff. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy the performance.
Thank fuck it still works. Okay. To whoever can hear this recording, you must assume that I am now dead, or worse. Listen very carefully to what I'm about to say, as I don't have much time. My name is Edward Goodwin. I'm head of the Cyanol Corporation Research and Development Department, a research group dedicated to the study and understanding of the human mind, focusing on the potential of machines, capable of altering human thought processes to better the progress of humanity and society as a whole. Our ultimate goal was to create a device that could completely rewrite neural pathways using a concentrated beam of light energy which, once seen by the naked eye and registered in the brain, would cleanse the mind of all violent and negative thoughts. With that power in our hands, we could have saved the world. We could eliminate any and all possibility of crime and make this world a safer place for everyone. We almost succeeded too. It took us many years, but in the early days of spring 2014 we completed the device. It was fully functional and was capable of basic memory reduction on its own. However, the prototype was too small to be capable of permanent change to the human brain. We planned to broadcast the signal of the device produced through television and other electronic devices with screens. The frequency of the device, combined with the power of a system capable of broadcasting to entire nations, would certainly give us the power we need, as well as providing an opportunity to put our plans in motion on a global scale. But we made a mistake. The broadcast itself went flawlessly. We reached millions across the globe with the device's power, but we failed to predict that altering human instinct and altering human thoughts each required completely different processes. Violence is a key primitive instinct to any creature, and it cannot simply be taken away. It is a natural reaction for any creature to defend itself if a threat is imposed upon them. As the signal attempted to remove that core instinct, the brains of those who were affected malfunctioned, removing every memory and environmentally influenced instinct, leaving only the mind's core function, self-defense through violence. Everyone who so much as glanced at the television screen whilst the broadcast was changed. The majority of the afflicted degenerated immediately, whereas the intellectually gifted resisted the effects of the wipe for a short period of time. Some took several days and others even weeks. It wouldn't surprise me if some humans still haven't changed. They became something less than human, something twisted. We called this event the consciousness collapse. I am trapped here now. The afflicted have surrounded the building and I cannot escape. Now you are too. Do not panic. There is a safe way out of here. You must find the radio part strewn somewhere about this building. Use it to repair the transmitter in the room and contact Safe Haven. It's a small refugee city a few miles away. They have food, water, and medical supplies. Contact them. The armed forces will dispatch a rescue team to pick you up. You must find the radio pod. Save yourself. Figure out how to end their insanity.